Ladies and gentlemen, it is Siempre, okay? Beautiful. There's Callie with her cute little drink. So she start off with some passion fruit, okay? And then come behind her with some tequila. Hey, Siempre Tequila, don't think I noticed you all sneaking here with this little promotion. Okay, send me 2 cases. That's a fair trade. All right? Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Love's in the air sake, because you're naming them too. Siempre, a little twist on the words, Callie. That's what Callie does. Okay, slip it in, and then she comes with a nice little shake. All right? Beautiful. And now we put in some nice ice cubes, pour in that little mix, all right? And then she comes behind that with a little bit of mango soda. Her drinks always exotic and just have nice little twists on them, some beautiful flowers, and there you have it. All right, Siempre, so you all hit your boy up, and there you have it. What's it called?
Siempre.
Siempre, homeboy. Like you see them pray, okay? You gotta explain the name too. All right, how'd you come up with this one?
So this drink was because we wanted to use the tequila, and we also wanted to use everything positive and love.
Love is in the air. That's the actual name.
Love is in the air sake.
Okay.
Passion fruit and the Siempre tequila. And basically this drink is just to promote good vibes, love, and peace.
Be sending one of these to North Korea, homeboy, okay? So y'all could rest in peace. Oh, Lord. But
passion fruit.
You gotta stay high. You see them seeds, man. Nice. I like it. And it's super sexy because of the flowers, you know what I mean? Like, seriously, like, I mean, don't I look cute?
Super cute.
So your forte is these is drinks with like an Asian twist to it, right?
Yeah, anything with any type
Where'd you pick up the Asian twist?
A lot of it's the sushi restaurants and bars and grills that I've worked in.
So you worked in a bunch of them?
Yeah.
So you've been fired from a lot of places.
No, I'm actually
Don't come with that, because if you work at 100 bars, I mean, you've been fired from 100 bars, okay?
Yeah, I quit my job to be on Tipsy Bartender full time.
So.
Yeah. Because I get paid so much.
Right, yeah. Okay, all right. Anyway, look at you all go find her on Instagram, okay, at Cali Mixes, and send a little check, okay, to help pay her, because I didn't realize we hired her full time. All right, stay tipsy.